Hey everyone, welcome back to DataZard. I am Radhika and today we are going to work with custom sorting in Power BI. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. For this week, I'm going to be solving Workout Wednesday Power BI 2021 Week 12 challenge, and we're going to build this visual together. It has these three bar charts which have different sorting. The data for this challenge was quite tricky to get. So what I have done is I've used this link to fetch the Power BI file, and I'm going to use that Power BI sample to create these visuals. This is the solution sample file that I have downloaded from Power BI documentation provided by Microsoft. And I'm just going to create a separate page for all the visuals that are required for this challenge. First thing that I'm going to build is the left side text box. What I'm going to do is already have the text so that I don't have to type it in front of you. So I'm just going to copy paste that stuff. So clicking on this text box, I will copy this and I will create another text box with the content from the bottom section. And lastly, we need a line in between this. So I'm going to go to insert, shapes, and then choose a line. Let's just decrease its size, place it here. And to change the color of line, let's click on the line, shape and style, and in fill, we just make it black and border, make it black. Now we just need a gray background. So going to insert and then again shapes, choosing this shape, and I'll start from top till the end. Fill color gray, border is again gray, and click on this box format and send to back. When I click it, this is how it looks like. Next thing that we need to build are two bar charts. So I'm clicking on this bar chart, and for y-axis I will choose category, and for x-axis we need to choose sales dollar, which is already given in the challenge. Now I will also bring category to the legend so that I color all of these one by one. And to match the theme which is provided in the challenge, I will go to view, and then from these themes, I will choose this first one. Now, to match the colors with what is there in the challenge, I will go to bars, and in that select urban. Urban is shown in orange, then rural, which is this blue color, mix, which is this dark pink color, and youth, which is this blue color. Formatting of this section looks odd because I need to turn off the backgrounds for all of these visuals. So going into size and style, turning off background. Similarly for this one, turning off background. And this looks a bit better. Now I will just increase the size for this a bit. Now we need to sort this by total units. So what I will do is I'll go to sales fact, and there is already a total units column. I will bring that tooltips, and then when I go to sort axis, I can see by total units, and we need to sort it descending. Now I will copy this visual, as we just need to change the sorting order. And for this sorting order, there is a custom order given. First should be rural, then urban, then mix and youth. So for this, there are multiple ways to do this. I am going to create a new table. So for this, click on enter data. We can call this table as ranking categories, and these will be categories and rank. So the first one is rural, then urban, mix, and youth. One, two, three, and four. I have given them these ranks, and let's load them into the data model. Now we will go into data model and connect this with the category in product. And now I will go back. I will now create another measure, and this measure will be used for getting the rank of the selected value. Let's call it selected value rank. So what I'm going to do is use of if function and say has one value, and we need to check if the product category has a value selected in it. If it has, then we need to do a lookup. For lookup, the result column that we are looking at is the rank. So I'm going to select rank. Search column is our product categories. So in this column, we need to search. What are we searching by? So we are searching by the product category, but we cannot select product category directly. So what I'm going to use is use a selected value measure, selected value function. And in this, I will choose product and then category, and then close all these brackets and click on enter. Now from this one, I will remove total units from tooltips and bring this selected value rank in tooltips. Now I sort this axis by selected value rank and then do it in ascending order. So now I have rural, urban, mix and youth, which is what we needed for this challenge. Last visual that we need to build is again a bar chart, but this time we need to show sales by segment. So I'm going to choose segment from product category and sales from the sales fact table. And we need to sort this by categories which are there in the segment in the descending order alphabetically. So I'm going to bring categories in tooltips, and then we go to sort axis and use first category. I will also bring in categories in this legend and choose ascending order. This looks exactly like how it is in the challenge. And here is the final look. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.